So I know it's been a really long time since I posted a video, but I was really busy and I was going through a lot of stuff. I was sick for like the first week of the year, and then I was like working a lot, so I really didn't have time to film as much. I tried to film 2 videos, but I really didn't like the outcome, so that's why I'm filming this one. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted me to film this look right here, and you guys said yes, so I figured that I should film it like a get ready with me. It's a very simple, like glowy type of look that you can use on an everyday basis if you like to get a little glammed up. If you want to see how I get my natural glowy winter glam, just stay with me so you can watch me get glammed up. I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, and I really love this hydrating cream from Simple. This is the Water Boost. I use this, in a lot of my videos, on my recent videos actually. A little bit of this goes a long way. It's really hydrating. So now that that's on, I'm gonna apply my Cover FX blurring primer. This is my favorite primer at the moment, and I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks right here because that's where I have the most pores. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my smile lines here and here, so they're smooth out, and then a little bit over here. So usually when I do like eyeshadow and all that kind of stuff, I start with my eyebrows so I can clean them and like prime my eyes and everything. But since this is more like a natural look, I'm gonna do them like after I do my face. That's how I like to do it when I'm doing a more natural look. So now that the primer is on, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Sun Beige, which is this one. I'm sorry, is that dirty? I'm gonna use a brush to apply first, and then I'll use my beauty sponge because I feel like that I don't waste that much product. This is a little bit too dark for me right now, but we'll make it work. Do you guys want me to do like Valentine's Day looks? I'm thinking about like 3 looks. What do you think? I know that Valentine's Day is like in 2 weeks, so if you guys really want me to film some Valentine's Day looks, please let me know so I can film them this week. So for concealer, I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand, which is this one. So I think that that's enough. Now I'm gonna use my sponge once again, and I'm gonna use this part right here, and I'm gonna blend it. I'm using all the exact products that I used on the picture because I love these products. These are like my favorite products at the moment for my natural look. My nose looks so big after applying that concealer, so I'm gonna contour my nose because my nose looks so big. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe because my nose is looking way too big. My nose is not this big, I promise you. much better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks way better. Way better. We're gonna set our face, and for that I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder, and this is the shade Fair Light. Do they have a translucent one? I really don't know. They do. Please comment down below so I can get that. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with the same sponge. I don't really want to bake, I just want to set it, because if I bake my face is gonna feel so dry and I don't like that. I run out of my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm like suffering because I haven't bought a new one yet, and I love the powder like way too much. I'm just setting wherever I apply concealer, and I'm not gonna bake down here. Wait, I'm gonna apply a little bit, but I'm not gonna bake just yet. I'm gonna bake down there whenever I apply my bronzer and my blush. I'm gonna do the Hula bronzer. So yeah. Oh, I saw that Wet n Wild came out with some bronzers as well. I really want to try them, and I saw the Kylie Cosmetics one. I really want to get all the blushes, all the bronzers, and all the highlights. Like, please, please. Oh, and also like the Morphe brushes from Jeffree Star. They're like life. For blush, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. This one. Really want to get a peachy one. I used to have a Wet n Wild and it was really peachy, but it broke. So we're gonna use this. Now, that's when I'm gonna bake. So I'm gonna use the sponge. And I'm just gonna bake them there. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown. It's this one right here. If you guys know of another brow product that is good from the drugstore, please let me know. I know I look crazy, but that way you can see what I'm doing. So I start lining my eyebrow right here. Like, I don't go all the way to the front. I know I'm almost at the front, but you know. And then I like follow the same shape of my eyebrow, and I do the same thing up here. See, like that. And now I'm gonna fill it in, and then I'll work on the front part little by little, because I don't want it, since this look is natural, I don't want the Instagram brow. I want more like a natural kind of brow, like if my brow was like this already, you know, because I barely have brows, but you guys know that already. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna bring the line right here a little bit more to the inner corner, and then I'm gonna start like brushing my hairs up so it blends out the line. I don't want it to be too you know, too obvious, so we applied some product. Okay, so now that that's like that, I'm gonna start like brushing a little bit, like very lightly, so you don't have a lot of product. And then you're gonna keep brushing it upwards. See, like that. Now I'm gonna use the same Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna take a blending brush. I need to clean all my brushes, and I'm just gonna add it to my lid just so we have a little bit of, you know, dimension. See, that way we don't look pale over there. And next, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. This was my first eyeshadow palette that I bought with my own money. This is the Morphe and Kathleen Lights eyeshadow palette. I know this is old, but I'm just gonna use the bronzy shade right here. This one. This used to be like my favorite eyeshadow palette. I used to love this green eyeshadow. You guys want me to do a tutorial with this? I know this is not on sale anymore, but you know, the colors are pretty much in a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so just let me know. So I'm gonna apply with my finger to all over my lid, because you know, we're going for that very glowy look. So it doesn't matter, like, you can be messy with this. See, like that. Like a very Kylie kind of look. See, it looks like your sun-kissed, you know. Same thing on the other eye. That's it for the eyes. Nothing crazy, like I said. Now I'm gonna apply some setting spray, which I'm gonna use my Make It Last setting spray from Milani. Just a tiny bit. Like that. Okay, so I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm not gonna use any false lashes, I'm just gonna use mascara. So I'm gonna use my telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. I'm gonna apply it to my bottom lashes first. Now for the upper lashes. There you go, mascara is done. So next, it's highlights. I'm gonna be using 2 highlights because, you know, you wanna be very glowy. So I'm gonna be using the Master Chrome Gold Molten, Molten Gold Highlight, which is this one, is from Maybelline. And then I'm gonna be using on top of that the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, which is this one. This one is like my favorite. But since I'm going for more like a sun-kissed, glowy kind of look, I'm gonna start with this. You see, this is like the best. I want the Ambrisi one, but you know, from the drugstore, this and the Precious Petals are like, you know, oh shit. always apply it, you know, to all of your nose, all the tip on the side. So whenever you take a picture like this, your nose is glowing. I got that trick from Valeria Lauren, so I'm passing it on you guys. So now moving on to the precious petals. In this, I'm gonna apply it on top right here. Ooh, see that? Ooh. So to line my lips, I'm gonna be using my NYX soft brown lip liner. I've been using this a lot in, you know, my recent videos and, you know, on a daily basis. So I'm gonna overline them a little bit, not too much. I don't overline them too much because I feel that my lips are big enough already. For my lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Quickie lipstick from ColourPop. This is how it looks like. It's a little light, but you look for whatever nude lipstick goes with you. I'm just applying a little bit to like the center, just like that. And you can totally leave it like this, but since I'm going more for like the glowy kind of look, I'm gonna do a gloss, and I'm gonna do Neat Freak from ColourPop, which is this one. And we're gonna apply it to the center. So this was a really quick look because, like I said, it's a very natural glam. You can totally skip some of the steps that I did, but you know, I like this full beat but natural look. I call it natural because we didn't do anything crazy for the eyes. We went very, you know, very easy today. So yeah, if you guys have any video ideas or any video suggestions that you would like for me to do this year, please let me know down below or let me know on my Instagram, and I will get those up for you guys. But like always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoyed watching me do this natural glam. And yeah, I hope to see you guys on my next video, so don't forget to subscribe so you're here with me on the next one, which it will be soon because I want to post at least 3 Valentine's Day look. So if you're excited for that, please let me know down below and I'll get those up for you guys as well. So yes guys, thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.